Day 43 from 0 to WordPress 0 end of the year challenge. And today we'll be talking about how to add or how to use Elementor form on our WordPress website. So yesterday we talked about how to add how to use our carousel on our WordPress website, but today we're talking about how to use and how to add Elementor form to our WordPress website. So basically, to use or to add Elementor form, you need the pro version of Elementor. So the basic version of Elementor does not give you the advantage of using or building a form. But with the pro version, you can easily do that on the pro version. So once you have the pro version of Elementor, the first thing you want to do is to find a particular section where you want to integrate the form. Alright, so find a particular section where you want to integrate the form, and once you have your section, you can, I'm just creating a section here. Okay, I'm just creating it here. So once you have your new section, you come to add element, then you come to the pro aspect of Elementor, then you drag the form. So depending on the purpose of the form, like I always say, the first thing you need to know and be sure of is the purpose of the form you want to create. Alright, so you want to create a form, you need to know the purpose of the form you want to create before you even start creating, because there are a lot of forms and there are a lot of purpose or use for forms. Alright, so let's say we want to build a contact us form, which is just a basic form where they can put in their name, their email, and a little bit message on what they are contacting us about. Alright, so basically once you add it up, as you can see, there is name, email, and message there. Alright, so if this doesn't go with what you want, you can change yours. For example, use for me now, I prefer to use full name instead of just name. And also you can the placeholder, put in something there, full name. Alright, so once you're done with that, you can also adjust the column breadth. Alright, so if it's too long, you can adjust it, and if it's too short, you can also adjust that. So basically, this is how to this is the basic way of creating a form with Elementor. So the same thing goes for this. If there's anything you want to change, you can easily change it, and then you can change the breadth of the width, and also then the message. So if you want to change this also, for the placeholder now, I can easily put in to complain. Please inform us about the issue you are facing, and we will be glad to help. Thank you. So basically, you just want to put something there. You don't want to leave it just blank like that. So you want to put something attractive, and also you can make it required, so if they don't fill it out, they won't be able to submit the form. Alright, so another thing you can do is you can also add, if you need a new item, you can easily add it. So all you have to just do is name it here, let's say I want, phone number. I want to add phone number, so I'm just gonna put it a phone number. Then the placeholder, I'm putting phone number. Alright, so if I want to make it required, I can easily do that, and also I can reduce the breadth of the. So you keep on stacking in each um what's it called, each item you want, in the form. So this is if you don't just, you don't want the contact form, you want probably maybe a reservation form, something that is different from just the basic contact us form. You can easily continue to stack up the item till you are satisfied and it's sure that you've uh inputted everything that you need. So another thing you can do is required mark. So this will highlight the required items. Also, you can work on the button. This is the button, so you can work on it. You can play around it. Adjust few things. And I don't want this video to be too long, but these are just the basic things that you can easily do. All right, so you can just adjust it. Play around it. So action after submit, you can decide to collect submission, and then also the submissions will be sent to your mail. Another thing you can do is there should be like, okay, I'm coming here. So I don't think you can write a confirmation mail. You can write a confirmation so I perform after visitor submits the form. Submission. I don't think there is a way that you can write a confirmation mail here. Let me see. Collect submissions. Collect submissions will be saved to Elementor submissions. So basically, there's no way you can write a confirmation mail. So once they are done with, inputting everything and the submits on other plugins, you'll be able to like add a confirmation mail that, okay, thank you for submitting your inquiries, or thank you for submitting your, something like that, just something basic. All right, but you can't do that here. All right. So another thing you can do is you can style, just walk around. These are basic things that you can easily do. If you watch my video from previous classes, you'll be able to navigate your way around these things. All right, these are just the basic, changing of color, changing of size, typography, and all of that. All right, so these are very simple and very easy to use. So basically, this is how to add or this is how to use an Elementor form on WordPress website. So thank you. This will be the end of the video. If you have any topic you'd like me to talk about, please drop in the comment section, and if you find the video interesting, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Thank you and God bless.